Guys, I sort of accidentally didn't realize I was screen recording for a lot of the basically the whole beginning of this video. I'm so sorry. I think my computer might just break if I try and screen record and play Sims at the same time. But there's only one way to find out. Let me set up. Oh my god, bitches be bonkers. Wow, I hate my life. Okay, hey guys. Honestly, bitches be bonkers sometimes, but like only sometimes. Just sometimes. Okay, let's open her up then. Bitches be bonkers. Okay, here's my world. Now I need to fix some things first in this world. And I'll explain why as I fix the things. Nice little story time. Sorry, my mom's blowing up my phone, like. So basically what happened is I broke my computer, yes. I spilled a little juice on my computer. My said computer did in fact break. Yes, so could not use that computer anymore. I had to get a whole new computer. And on that computer was my Sims saves, the Sims game that I had been playing on and working very much hard on. It gone because of juice. And so what happened, you know, my game's gone. And I was kind of like, okay, this isn't okay in my opinion, because I've been working very hard on this game and that's a little bit upsetting that it's gone. Not to mention that this is the second time that this happened, because I had this one computer like a long time ago. I had this laptop, yes, I had Sims on that, and I had like 6 generations of Sims on that laptop. And my game, it was like my game, you know what I mean? Like I had gotten so far in that game, and then guess what? One day, my mom accidentally erased my computer. So like the way you erase it is like through Find My iPhone. And so she thought that that computer was a different computer that she wasn't gonna use anymore. But it was actually my computer. And I was like, bitches be bonkers. And I was like, you know, a little bit peeved, but you know, it is what it is. Got my new computer, got this new game, loved this new game, yes. Game gone. The thing is, I thought that I had lost that game, the second game. I thought I had lost it for good. But turns out one time I had airdropped my saves folder. If you don't know how Sims works, then this is not going to make sense to you, but I had airdropped my saves folder to my mom's computer because I needed storage on my computer. So I airdropped it to her computer, and then I deleted it on my own computer. And so it was on my mom's computer, yes. The other day, my mom was like, hey, you have some stuff of yours on my computer. And I was like, what? And it turns out my saves were on her computer, yes. But the thing is about this save was, okay, I'm like making this so complicated. Basically what happened was, after I airdropped it to her, after I got storage and stuff, I brought it back to my computer and I continued to play. I just never deleted it from her computer. So the saves file that's on her computer was old. So when my computer got erased, there was stuff on there that I did that wasn't on the save file that was on her computer. So this is an old crusty save file, and now what I have to do is play through to where I was before, which is very far, which is a little bit annoying, but at least I didn't lose the whole game. So what I lost was, okay, I have 2 households that I play. One of the households had a toddler and a dog. And I don't have either of those. She's not even pregnant, like, and then the other household had a toddler, a baby, and I think that's it. And what I have in that household right now is just a baby. Oh, also another thing. I gave them new houses because the ones that I, like, originally got were just bad, ugly. So I gave them new houses, yes. But this save file still had the old ugly houses. I just I don't even want to talk about it. Like, so that's basically what I'm doing right now. I'm fixing the house. I'm getting the good house back. I don't know, it's just a big whole process and it's just really annoying, but
So my future starts. This is my future in big groceries. Homicide. Just kidding.
what? I just have no neck. You know what I love? You know what I love? Acting challenge, you're the acting challenge, you're the blue line. You know what I love? You know what I love? Louis Tomlinson is what I love. Louis Tomlinson. Yeah. Oh, my favorite song? Thanks for asking. Well, right now I really love his unreleased song, Copy of a Copy of a Copy, that he sang during, his virtual concert. Yeah. I know, it's a banger. Okay, oh my god, Gay Door. Gay Door. Gay Door. Gay Door. Gay Door. I can't, I'm sorry. I love a good Gay Door, but like, I'm sorry. It's just a little bit overwhelming. Well, now it's window time. I'm just not having fun right now. This is so tedious. And if bitches are bonkers, then so what? So be it. Let the bitches be bonkers. Let them. You know what? I'll be back when bitches are fixed. Jesus Christ. I'm pretty sure I fixed everything, and I think everything is good now. So what we do now... Oh, this is gonna be really awkward. What we have to, oh, we are poor. I love being poor. What we have to do now is something that I like to call... Are you telling me that I don't have MCC? What the hell? I don't even have UI... You're telling me I have to play Sims, like, without cheating? Okay, what we have to do now is something that I like to call, okay, okay, guys, don't go upstairs. What? Oh my god, bitches be bonkers. What? This has to be a joke. No! I just was not screen recording any of that, and you know what? I do hate myself for it. So basically I'm just gonna go die now, and basically that's the end, and basically I give up. I'll just continue with what I was saying. Finley? Yes, Finley. This is Finley. And my guy. Okay, like turn the heater on, like I don't know, maybe do something about it. Jesus Christ. Man's complains and then doesn't take action, but whatever. Okay, so someone's pregnant, but don't worry about it. Okay, so, I'm really annoyed. I wasn't filming anything. No, none of my jokes are gonna make sense. Oh my god, look at girl, Miss Thing. Okay, what I'm gonna do now. Oh. Ah! Who the hell? Bitch. What? Oh, hell no. Have fun getting in now, bitch. Anyways, here are their, oh my god, here are their personalities. She's chefy, romantic, what is that? Bro, I didn't even, perfectionist. And then he's, like, love or whatever, like, okay. Romantic, dog lover, good. Why did I give him the most boring traits? I kinda did him dirty with that one. But he's a doctor. Miss Thang over here is a chef, and she's actually a superior because she's basically, if my baby isn't a girl, it's gonna be really embarrassing. Wait, I forgot what I named their child. The first time, what did I name her? Oh my god, it was like the perfect name. Whoa, what happened to him? Guys, please send help. I have absolutely no idea what her name is. Oh, who's ringing my phone? I really don't, no offense. Maybe if I look up name ideas, because it's probably what I did. Girl name ideas. Wait, I probably said unique. Okay, you know what I don't get? When they put baby girl names. Like, they're not gonna be a baby forever. It's not just their baby name. Okay, can you leave me alone? Oh, I can't. Okay. Hello? Do you remember what my child's name was?
Incense?
Yeah.
What the hell, no. How would I remember that?
Fine. Goodbye.
Sorry.
Oh my god, this is so sad. It was like the perfect name. I can't take a piss. What is this? Why would you make breadsticks? Like out of all things, you're gonna make breadsticks? Seems a little bit odd to me. Trash can, as if I don't have a trash can right there. Like, where's my mom? Okay, we're gonna get a dog because I had a dog before. How do I do this? What the? What? What? Wait, hold on a minute. Wait. Wait, you said 10,000. Okay, why is Sims acting like I know what this means? Like I'm a child, okay? I'm gonna hold off on that. But how do I adopt a pet? Our service isn't it? Adopt dog. Wait, this costs 200. Maybe we don't need electricity or water for a little bit. What dog did I have? No, I had like a chocolate lab, I think. I want my chocolate lab. You know what we can do? We can... Okay, dog. Aww. Friendly, playful, and loyal. Cleveland. What? As in Ohio? Booger. Okay, that's a hate crime, but whatever. Fidget? I like fidget. I'm not gonna lie, I do like fidget. So, there we go. What? What did you just do? Why is there water on the floor, you psycho? Dog, come here. Oh my god. Okay, we're gonna go talk to our dog. Our new little... Bring him inside, please. Oh my gosh. He's so cute. Dog is scared of the fridge. Fidget. Silly little goose. Oh my god, boy, what happened to you? What happened to you? What the hell? Aren't you a vampire? Crusty, aren't you a vampire? You can tell me. Okay, you're really scary, that's all I know. Oh my god. Oh my god, hey. Okay, like we get it. Okay, please go home so I can play with my dog. Like we don't want you here, you're kind of intruding. Okay, I need to get him toys. I need to get him some toys for my furry companion. Bowl. A toy box. Here. And then we need to actually buy some toys. Gay ball. Okay. So, get the gay ball, please. Give the ball to Fidget. Okay. Finley coming in clutch with that bread, with that dough, with that good money. Finley low-key carries the household. She low-key supports the household. Girl, why do you got so many herbs in your inventory? Oh. I actually don't think I want to do that. I think I'm fine with my $14,000. Like, oh my god. Aww. He's so excited. Oh, I need a dog bed. I kind of like that color. And then, please, tell Fidget to go to sleep. Okay, go to sleep. Good night. Good night. Good night. And that's it. That's it for today. I'm currently running out of storage. So, also battery. I'm also running out of battery. So, I'm gonna have to leave you here. Leave you. I'm gonna have to leave you off. I'm gonna have to end. Go. Video over. End. Help the underdog. Goodbye.